Hello YouTube, this is Alex, also known as the Geek Dad. A while back when I moved into an older duplex, I noticed the water from my sink or shower never got hot. I did a little bit of research online and discovered that my water heater was set to low. Here's a quick video guide on how I adjusted my water heater. The first step is to locate the breaker and shut off the electricity for the water heater. This is recommended to avoid electrical shock. My water heater was located in the utility room. As you can see, there are two side panels that you will need to remove. One located near the top, the other near the bottom. Yours might be different. Once you open the side panel, you will need to remove the insulation found inside. Here's a temperature scale guide. As you can see, my landlord had left the water heater on the coolest setting. For the bottom panel, I adjusted the temperature to hotter or to B setting with a flathead screwdriver. The top panel will look the same. From my research, I read that it is recommended to have the top panel set to a slightly higher temperature. This is so they don't alternate wrong. I set this to C setting. And to recap, I had set the bottom panel to B setting. Put the insulation back, then put the side panel back on. Now you're ready to turn on the water heater. Thanks for watching.